Hello there everyone. In this video, we are going to initialize an empty Git repository in our project folder. You see right here in my programs directory, I have my project opened up in the terminal. Make sure that you're in the proper directory in your terminal. And if you open up my project, you will see I just have an HTML file that has bunch of random lines of code. So you want to try to do in this video is initialize a Git repository in the project folder so that we can track all the additions, deletions and changes that we make to everything to this folder. So in order to do that, it's very simple. All we are going to do is open up the terminal and just type git init. Git init. So it says initialized empty Git repository in project folder. You are initializing a repository in the selected folder. So you see, okay. So I'm going to delete that and run git init again. You will see the doc git folder pop up. It says reinitialized existing Git repository. That's fine. So we are in the master repo. Okay. So this is great. But notice how it says empty Git repository, meaning that we have not actually added anything to this repository. When I say git status, it says no commit set, untracked files, nothing added to commit but untracked files present, git add to track. Which means we have not added the HTML file that takes the document inside the Git repository. And what this command is going to let you to do is going to show you what you have actually saved it to the repository. This is the untracked files. So we have to add this file and then commit to the Git repository in order for it to be officially be saved to this project folder repository. To do that, the commands are git add. So we are adding the index.html file to the master repository. To do that, just say git add index.html warning. The file will have its original lines endings in here. That's fine. Now just type git status to check the status of the file. It says that no commit sets, changes to be committed. So the new file has been added. Now we'll have to commit this file. To do so, you have to just say git commit -m added. This is just a message that I'm typing inside the single quotes. Added index.html file to project folder. This is just a message for you guys to refer in the future what commit that you had made to this project folder. Just say enter. Please tell me who you are. So we'll have to config the git bash. The configuration setup is just say run. You see below there are few commands. Git config global user.email. You see here I have just typed git config -global user.email lncpurnima@gmail.com. This is the email ID that I have typed in. This is the configuration email ID that I have set, and my username is Purnima, the global username. So after that I have just typed git commit -m index.html to the project folder. You see here one file has been changed, create mode. Now you just say git status, nothing to commit. That's all for this video, guys. Hope you have learned how to add the file, how to initialize the repository, how to commit the file to the repository, and the configuration setup. Initially, when you are using the git bash, you'll have to configure, you'll have to run the above two commands. Say git config global user.email user.name. You'll have to set these two things. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.